Hello everyone, welcome to PIXIPACE. Do you know you can create notes in Adobe Photoshop? If you don't know, then no worries. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a notes in Adobe Photoshop. So before watching the tutorial, just show your love by subscribing PIXIPACE YouTube channel and by sharing it with your friends. Welcome to PIXIPACE. I am a professor of graphics. I would love to clarify that to you, that why you should create note in Adobe Photoshop. Suppose you are working on a shared document or you are going to send a PSD file to your client and you are using stock images in your PSD file. So in such situations, it's really important to give the credit to that owner of the picture. So if you are using note and you are making the note of that picture, then you can upload the link of that particular picture, or if you want to mention something, or if you want to some notes to your designer friends, then you can also mention while using that tool. I know you in such situations you are not going to write while using the text tool because it's really a stupid thing. I hope you do not do that, and you don't need to make a complete word file or a note file in which you can save the notes or mention the credits of that picture, because it would be really time consuming process. So rather than doing that, we just need to use note tool in Adobe Photoshop. So let's use it. For using the note tool, just click on the eyedropper tool or hold the eyedropper tool to find the note tool, and for using that, click on Note tool and simply click on anywhere in the canvas. It will open that window once you click on your canvas, and in this window you can write down your notes like this is testing. Now we created our first note, and if you wanna change the color of that note, then you can also do that by just clicking on this color window or color icon. These options you can find on the top of Photoshop menus, and if you want to clear all the notes, simply click on clear all. Okay, and it clear all the notes which you uploaded on Adobe Photoshop document. And you can create multiple notes by just using the note tool. Click on anywhere and it will create multiple notes for you. And to identify which note is active, you can find that pencil on any note tool, and here you can find this note is active only. And suppose you can define the multiple colors like yellow for information, red for if you wanna give some strong message to your client or to your designer friends. So you can use as much as options, as much as notes you want to use. Now let's understand it by using practical. Now I'm going to import the images from the Unsplash. Suppose this one, and here you will find these little notes in which you can find the credit of that picture, and I would definitely love to give the credit to the owner of that picture. And here I would like to copy the code in a clipboard, then simply I'll import the image in Photoshop, and here by using the note tool I would write down that particular clipboard message in that in which the credits are included. And here you can find the source code of that picture. Use another picture. here we need to like mention the notes or the source code of that picture. So for that, again, simply I will click on the picture and write down the source code or paste the source code of that picture so that I can share it with my clients or on my YouTube channel. So here in this way I create the notes in Adobe Photoshop so that I can remember the source code, or I can remember what exactly need to done or what exactly I did to the picture in future. That's why I use the note tool in Adobe Photoshop, because it is really time saving for me. Like, probably you'll think I'm saying that in every tutorial it's a really time saving, I'm saying that because all these tools has their specific on function, and every tool is really time saving. So I'm always saying that just practice as much as you can and learn about every tool so that you can be a good designer. I hope you liked this tutorial and learned something from this. And if you have any question related to this, or if you have any another question, that just write down your question or your views in comment section. I would definitely love to read your views about the Photoshop tools. And at the end of this video, as always, I would love to say that just share and subscribe PIXIPACE YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.